Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're diving into a literal masterclass in digital strategy. We're going to break down the staggering, frankly unbelievable success of the biggest channel on the internet, Mr. Beast. Because here's the thing, it's not magic, it's mathematics. And by the end of this, you are going to understand the exact data tools used to absolutely dominate the platform. 100 million views per video. Just let that massive number sink in for a second, because that is the benchmark we are about to decode today. We're looking at the exact systems and specifically this brand new data platform called ViewStats that actually takes the luck out of going viral. It completely replaces it with calculated, data-driven decisions.
So here is our roadmap. We are covering 1. The secret to 100M views. 2. Unlocking free ViewStats analytics. 3. Finding viral video outliers. 4. Mastering thumbnail A/B test. And 5. Automating your YouTube strategy. Let's get right into it.
Starting off with Section 1, the secret to 100 million views, the master playbook. And this quote sets the stage perfectly. It's a direct look behind the curtain from Mr. Beast himself, talking about his newly launched ViewStats platform. As he puts it, this is access to everything he uses to get over 100 million views a video. You just type in any channel name and boom, it instantly pulls up their analytics. It is quite literally the secret playbook just sitting there for anyone to analyze. Moving into Section 2, unlocking free ViewStats analytics. Right off the bat, you can instantly see how many views are coming from long-form content versus short-form content, and that's absolutely crucial. If you see a channel popping off getting a billion views a month, you really need to know where that traffic actually lives. Getting a billion views from shorts is a completely different audience behavior than a billion views from long-form content. Being able to distinguish that at a quick glance, that's a massive competitive advantage. Look at the level of detail you get here. Take a specific video, like ages 1 to 100 decides. Before, the only way to see how a video ranked out of 10 on its launch was if you actually had private login access to that creator's studio. Well, not anymore. Now you can click on any video and see exactly what it ranked out of 10, right alongside its daily viewership. It's just totally unprecedented access. Plus, they went ahead and built a free Chrome extension that puts all this data directly onto your screen while you're browsing. You're getting daily viewership overlays, you can instantly compare a video with recent uploads, see those 1 out of 10 launch rankings we just talked about, and get complete channel overviews. And the best part? You never even have to leave the video player. Okay, pivoting over to Section 3, finding viral video outliers to solve the blank page. So we really need to understand what we're looking for here. An outlier isn't just some random accident. Look at it this way. If a channel normally averages 100 views, but suddenly their fourth video gets 100,000 views, that video did 1,000 times better. It went viral because of a mathematical pattern. Maybe it was a superior title, an incredible thumbnail, or just highly engaging content. The Outliers tool basically scoops up all these anomalies and puts them in one place for you to use as direct inspiration. To hunt down these gems, you use a super robust filtering system. You can literally tell the system, okay, I only want to see videos with over 1 million views from channels with over 100,000 subscribers that performed 10 times better than their channel average and were uploaded in the last 90 days. Boom, instantly, you've got a curated list of mathematically proven viral trends ready for you to brainstorm from. Which brings us to Section 4, mastering thumbnail A/B tests. Let's ground this with a really tangible example. Imagine you're a farmer and you're filming a video about your tractor. You need some thumbnail inspiration, right? You just type a descriptive phrase like person standing next to a tractor right into the thumbnail search. The system pulls up every matching thumbnail on the platform. You spot one that looks kind of interesting, and then you hit search by thumbnail. Instantly, it pulls up a whole visual cluster of similar thumbnails, showing you the exact angles and compositions that actually work. And honestly, it gets even better when we talk about A/B testing. Why run hundreds of tests yourself when you can just peek at everybody else's homework? Take Ryan Trahan's recent airline video. He tested 3 thumbnails, and the one split right in half between economy and first class ended up winning. But here's the crazy part. Mr. Beast ran a similar video a year before, and his A/B test showed the exact same result. The split screen won. By studying this global data, you're learning from tests that cost other people a ton of time and money to run.
All right, let's wrap things up with Section 5, automating your YouTube strategy using the alerts feature. Let's say you're going to make a video later this year called I Built the World's Largest Treehouse. You can just set up an alert for the keyword I built. Then, set the threshold to only alert you when a long-form video hits over 1 million views. Now, the system is just working for you in the background. Anytime a video meets your exact criteria, you get notified in real time. You stay completely plugged into niche trends without actually having to live glued to YouTube all day. So how does this all tie together? Well, we've talked about outliers, thumbnail search, A/B tests, and alerts. But the feature that makes this a complete ecosystem is collections. It's basically the glue. It organizes all of this massive data into one single actionable workspace. Whenever you find an outlier or an alert you like, you just save it right to your custom collection. We've broken down the data, the tools, and the exact strategies driving 100 million views a video. The secret here isn't just working hard, it's smart, mathematical execution. The tools to pull back the curtain are literally right in front of you now. So armed with all this incredible data, what will your next outlier be? Thanks for hanging out with me for this explainer, and I'll catch you in the next one.